I know. Okay. Okay, we'll talk about only single line, trend line. Okay, guys, let's. Okay, let's just take the Bitcoin. You see, okay, guys, pay attention here. Let's see, right now I'm time frame and identify single line trend, try to trade.
Why do you
Okay,
close everything?
basically, you mean trade?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have any trades. I'm flat.
No, the lines already drawn. You see, there's a lot of line there that might be a bit confusing to us at the moment.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. This is the Bitcoin.
Mhm.
Okay, let's say like you go to 1 hour and you see the MACD. The MACD is going up. You see this MACD is going up. Then they come down a little bit. Then they went up. So let's say you want to buy. You want to buy, but you want coming in. Okay. So what do? You draw the line here, this one here, like that. I'll make it.
The question is for us to identify where to draw the line, you know.
No, you see, hey, okay. The rule of drawing single line, trend line, you take the resistance, this candle here, okay, and you drag it. Usually it's going to be 45 degrees or less, okay. Then the minute you get a candle here, then you know that your single line, trend line is correct. You see? Okay, this is the first candle here, right? Like that. Second candle here. Okay, you see the price came down. Then this is the third candle here. You notice? Okay, this is the fourth candle here. The doji. You see the doji? Bring it down. They bring it down. They bring it down. Okay. But notice when the price came here and they penetrate, so we can see that there was a car. This one here. These two candles here, right?
Yeah.
Candle with convincing move, they penetrated the line. So they just push it up, and then the following candle was green. The third is green. The fourth is a little bit of red, doji, another red, green hammer, and they went up. Okay, do you see this one here? This low, but this low is higher than this low. You see here? This is very important that you pay attention to this issue, okay? This one here, this is a low, correct? And this one, another low, correct? This one, the hammer. I mean that the buyers are coming in, so the price is gonna go up. So when you buy, let's say you buy in here from the single line trend line break and the car here. Let's put it white to be neutral. Okay, your entry is here. Us is here. Okay, so this is your stop loss in case of the loss. You follow, guys? Do you follow? Anderson.
Looking on that.
Yeah, you see. Okay, right now I'm just focusing in the single line trend line, and then when the price breaks the single line, because notice how many times they attempted and they failed. 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? This time, this green candle came to the line and then closed slightly above it. But I want a car and I want the MACD red, but this green is a car and it breaks the single line trend line with a convincing move. You see the body? You see the body? This candle here. This candle. You see this candle? Because when they closed the candle, they closed it very strong, and above the single line, that's a car, this one. So yeah, I buy here, change of color, and the price of the green goes beyond the open of the red, I buy. Okay, I mean doji. See the doji, this one? So my stop loss is going to be under it. Okay, notice how they did break, hook, go. So all this move here, the move here, it was like a break from a hook, you see, from 62, 576, 48, all the way. Or if you panic and you get out here. Okay, you see how much? 62, 576, 48, and you get out at 66, 43, 65. A decent profit. You see that? Because of course, you know, after the move is already finished, no, when we see these retracements, we might think, oh, maybe they're going to come down again. So I like my profits. Okay. And you notice here in this retracements, the trade. Okay, set. Okay. You see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 under the line. But notice when they produced a car in this candle here, this first candle, this green, if you jump and you bought, you might always move. Okay. But where are we gonna use? What is stop loss? Your stop loss, because this is gonna be the low. Okay. So you put your stop loss here. Your stop loss will be here, under here. So if you do not capture this, you see the drop here, this red and this green, they hit your stop loss here. So basically, if you closed when the price moved up to here, you made a good amount of money. But if you are late, I mean lost, you see, because your entry is here. You see the entry here? You enter right here. Here, you see this? And this candle here. You see? Entry is here. Okay? So it went this green and this green. If you close here, you make a decent profit. If you don't, expecting it to come here all the way. So your stop loss is very small. You see? That's why you see the risk is very small. From entry to stop loss is very small. Okay? Now let's go to Ethereum. I want to show you Ether. At least you have two example of single line trend line. Okay? So let's see to 4 hours. Okay, notice how the channel, the one I draw. That's why I told you guys, I already posted a YouTube video and YouTube channel about trend channel and how to do them. You go and watch it. I'll send you. I already posted in the group. I don't know if you already went there and checked my class. Okay, notice here. Okay, you notice how the price came once. This one close to it. Twice, 3 times, right? But then they went up to here, they break it, and they come down. It wasn't much of a down, but still, you know, you see, they break it. Okay, now side from here to here, like that, and like that. Okay, let me just take this one so we can focus on the candle to this candle here. Okay, so we have 2 candles respectively, this candle and this candle. You notice these 2 candles, they are try to close above the single line trend line, they bring it down. This one here, you see, 1, 2. But notice this attempt, how they did it. They came to this low here, you see. That's why they always will go back and retest previous low, previous high. That's why always when you are trading, you got to identify those previous zones, because they are places came here once, twice, then they went up. So now they attempted to go back to the same zone. Okay. Notice in this candle, you know, they came all the way to the line, but then there was a, that's why you see the wick. And then the following candle was green, and the following was green, and they penetrated the single line trend line. And now for long. Okay. If it is red, if you cover it from the red of the open of the red, I need a green candle to close above the open of the red. So I enter in this candle here. Okay, pay attention. This candle here. You see? You see, guys? This candle. And now my stop loss will be here under this low, which is going to be here. Okay? And now, as soon as the price go beyond the open of the red, I buy it. And then I take the whole move. Okay, here. This. Okay? And you notice they did like actually break hook and go, which is this one here. Break. There's a hook. And this is the go. Okay? You follow?
Follow, but not so. I will sit to discuss with you better because my here is a little bit.
No, I mean, I just explained to you. You see, I drew this line here. You know, your line is correct. 1, 2. You see?
Okay.
This candle respected it.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
And this one. Because this red, I mean, this green, try to penetrate it. We have 3 candles saying that this is a correct. So, when they go upward, and of course, you see, if I bring the MACD, you see the MACD here? You see this candle here? How the MACD, okay, pay attention to this one here. I'm putting the vertical line here, okay? The vertical line. Okay, I'll make it slightly thicker, okay? So, yes? This one. This vertical line, the yellow.
Okay.
Okay, do you see how that particular candle, the particular candle here, penetrated, it went behind the open of the red, go beyond it, and then this red was above the line, and then this green was above the line. So you can buy any one of them, either this one, this one. This one would be more convincing, this one here. Okay, up. You see the MACD? The histogram is coming up.
Go up.
Histogram building up above the 0 line. You understand?
Yeah, go up.
Go up. So that's the use of the single line trend line. You will always be able to time your entry better than anybody else. Okay. So let's see. Let's pick up another. Let's say gold. Yeah. You see, I drew the line from this one here. Then I rested in the line, then went up, rested in the line, and it's valid. Okay, so this is 1. This is 2. This is 4. Short, unless the price the top. The redux red one here. There was a perfect car. This one. Okay. This one. You see? If you waited here and he shorted the gold, it didn't retrace against you. And the stop loss would be here, above this high. Above, with your stop loss above it. And then you see the drop? It dropped from this car all the way to here. Okay, and you see the MACD building up, okay? That's it, you get out here. You notice drop, then there is 2 dojis, green. You see the 2 dojis, indicating there is no more selling pressure. You get out here. Up to your entry, then it dropped. But you don't want to give back your profit. If you are making like 80, 70, 120 pip or tick, you just get out, that's it. And then you look for another trade. You see what I'm saying? Guys, is it clear?
Yeah. Trying to be clear.
I mean, it's only a line. You know, I already showed you this over and over. It's just you draw a line.
But you use 1 hour, 1 hour or 4 hours.
It doesn't matter. You can draw 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 4 hours daily. It doesn't matter. You see?
Okay.
This one right now, I'm using 1 hour.
Okay.
1 hour. If I go to 2 hours, Same thing, you see? The line is still intact, correct. You see? If I go to 4 hours, it doesn't matter. If you drew the line
what
correct,
do you do? Now that you got this one, what do you do for after this?
What do you
The
do
next
after
step.
what?
After you see, you have drawn your chart, right? Where you're pointing the your arrow there.
Yeah, because I showed you like in 1 hour time frame.
No. From here, very hard to explain to you, lah.
From
there, what do you do next time? We go up or down or what? The next step.
No, the next step, get free. When the price breaks the line, they're gonna make some correction. So this is the move. This is where you make money here. Okay. Of course, if you short here, you get killed. If you short here, you get killed. If you short here, you get killed because you're going counter trend. So to prevent being in front of a fast train coming your way, you need the train. Sun is like a train. Okay? So you need the train to stop completely for you to jump in. You jump while the train is moving, you get killed. So which means that you get killed. If you shoot here, you get killed. Coming a little bit down, going up. So because your counter lose, your short is gonna lose. By the way, if you shoot here, after the price breaks the single line trend line and give you a win this move. You follow?
Yep, right.
So basically the single line trend line, it's gonna prevent your way. That's when the from a is only an indication what the big boys and the follow through are doing. And your job here, I'm gonna draw it here for you. You see this? Well, I took this candle, I ignored this candle here. It's just a wick. You notice? So now, if I want to buy, I don't want to buy when the price is under. I want to only buy if the price trade above it. So what I do, I look for a car. One here. This is a car. This red one here. You see the red one? So when I see this car, and then I see a doji green, doji red, doji green, then I see this candle closing and trading above the open of the red. So I buy. You see this one here? I buy here.
Hold on.
I buy in this green. Went beyond the open of the red. So I know that there is buying power coming in. And I only am interested to trade with the big boys and the follow through. The guys who create the candles. So you notice if you waited, see, and you made money. Clear?
Yep.
Clear.
You see?
Clear.
I mean, it's simple, you just the single line trend line will help you to wait until the big boys and the follow through change direction. Just understand, it's just the train is changing direction. Like right now, you're taking the train to KL and the train is too fast. Are you gonna jump in front of it when you go to TDI, or are you gonna wait for the train to stop? You're gonna wait for it to stop, right? Then you happen. Now the train is going back to KL. When the train stop, well, you're gonna wait until it understand. Fast train that is going in, the price goes beyond the line. You know that.
Trend line, right? It's going down, right? It's going down. It's on the outside, right? Going up is from
when
the
it's going
bottom.
down is outside like this. Yes. When it's going up is in the bottom. Correct.
Okay.
Correct. So right now I'm just teaching you one concept only, which is the single line trend line. I'm not giving you anything else. I'm not looking at the MACD. I'm not looking at the moving averages. I'm not looking at Fibonacci. You can trade only using single line trend line. That's it.
Understood.
Okay, guys. The Zoom is gonna finish.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay, guys. It's clear, correct? Clear.
Okay.
Yeah. For time being.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Every Zoom, we're gonna cover just one chart pattern to simplify it for you. Okay. Then in your own, you go to the chart and you start to draw it. Because if you don't draw it yourself, it's gonna be like another confusing thing like before. You see, I explained this to you like a million times, but you still didn't get it because you didn't do the work. Draw it in the chart and then ask me, is it correct? And I'll show you. Do it once, twice, 10 times, 20 times. If you do 300 single line trend line correctly, you're done. You're a maestro right now. You're better than me. Okay. Why do I do it correctly? Because I've done like maybe 3,000 single line trend line. I started with 300, but then every day I'm doing single line trend line 20, 30, 20, 30, 20, 30. Imagine when you do 10, 20, 30 every day. Within a month, you're already like doing like 1,000. Or maybe not 1,000, maybe 500, 600.
Okay.
So it's
Okay.
the concept will stick in your brain if you do the work. That's what I'm going to tell you. So it's up to you. Single line, trend line is the easiest chart pattern you will do. It's not like trend line. It's not like Fibonacci. It's not like, symmetrical wedge. It's not like ascending wedge. It's not like, bear flag, bull flag, flagpole. It's easy. It's just one line. You draw it correctly. And as soon as you see two candles rested in the line, you know it's correct. Then you just drag it to the end. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
So guys, we'll catch up with you tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much.
I mean, if you still have any question, we still have a few minutes. You can ask me.
So far, no. Okay, understood.
Clear, huh?
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Okay, and then maybe next Zoom, we'll pick up just one concept, one chart pattern, and we'll go over it.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we'll say good
Thank you very
night.
much.
Okay,
Good night.
bye.
Good night.
Okay, bye, guys. Bye.
Bye.